Good morning, children. Okay, in the previous class, we have completed the respiratory system. But in that respiratory system in human beings, some problems are there. Okay, they are called disorders. Okay, today our topic is disorders in respiratory system. Disorders in respiration. Okay. Okay, in the human beings, some problems are there in their respiratory system. What are they? Okay, here we are going to learn some problems in the respiration. They are, first one is the asthma. Asthma. Second one is the emphysema. Emphysema. Third one is the bronchitis. Bronchitis. Fourth one is the pneumonia. Pneumonia. Okay, these are the major problems in the respiration. Okay, we will discuss about one by one. Asthma. In this problem, inflammation of the. In this problem, inflammation of the. Inflammation of the bronchi and bronchioles. Bronchi and bronchioles. Okay, bronchi and bronchioles. Which parts are present in the lungs? They are inflamed. Then that is the difficulty in symptoms are in this problem. Symptoms are difficulty in breathing. Difficulty in breathing. Okay, the symptoms are difficulty in breathing and coughing and wheezing. Okay, these are the symptoms in the asthma. The second one is the emphysema. Emphysema. In this problem, the alveolar walls are damaged. Alveolar walls are damaged. Then the surface of the alveolar is increased. Okay, surface of the alveolar is increased. In that problem, the transport of gases is does not occur the sufficient. Symptoms in the emphysema. Symptoms in the emphysema. Okay, the difficulty in breathing and coughing. Okay, these problems in the emphysema. Okay, coughing. Mainly, this major problem is the tobacco, smoking of tobacco. This happens due to smoking of tobacco. Okay, this is the second one. The third one is the bronchitis. What is the third one? Yes, the bronchitis. In this problem, the inflammation of the bronchi. Inflammation of the bronchi. Inflammation of the bronchi. Okay. The symptoms in this problem: the chronic cough, chronic cough, and thick mucus. Thick mucus. Okay. The next problem is the. Understood all of you? These three understood? Yes. The next problem is the last, pneumonia. Fourth one is pneumonia. Okay. This in this problem, in the human being's respiratory system, the bacteria is formed. That is the Streptococcus pneumoniae. Streptococcus pneumonia. Okay, not only streptococcus pneumonia. In these problems facing persons, some virus, fungi, protozoans are also found. Okay, in this problem, the bacteria is found in the alveolar. Then the transported of gases is does not occur the sufficient. Okay, this is the disorders of the respiratory system. Okay, some here the some occupational disorders also here. Occupational disorders. Okay, some persons works has in some industries. Okay, then that persons caused some lungs disorders, lungs respiration disorders. That is called occupational disorders. Here we are going to learn some occupational disorders. They are asbestosis, silicosis, and siderosis, and the last one is the black lung disease. Black lung disease. Okay, first of all, we are discussing about first of all asbestosis. Who persons worked in the asbestos industry? In that persons, the asbestosis dust is found in their lungs. Okay, then that is called asbestosis occupational disorder. In the second one, the who are the persons worked in silica minings, mainly quarries, silica minings. In that problem, in their respiratory system, the silica dust is formed. Then the transport of gases is does not occur sufficient. Then they are feel difficult in breathing. Okay, next one, siderosis. In this problem, the silica dust, iron particles are deposited in their lungs. Okay, this is the siderosis. Next, black lung disease. Black lung disease is occurs in the mainly coal mining workers. Who are persons are working in coal mines, they faced black lung disease. Okay, these are the disorders of the respiration. Okay, now we are completed the respiratory system. Okay, tomorrow I will send question answers. You will write in Zoology fair notes and send into the group.